Good morning. I am Dr. Shakes with your Eswatini Daily News headlines for today. And these are your leading stories. Have you ever thought about buying bread for 17 Emalangen in 90 cents? This could be the reality come November 1, 2025, after Cabinet approved a 7% hike, which has left the public lamenting the increase. In more news, the Minister of Finance, Neil Reckenberg, might have his cake and get to eat it too. This is if senators support a series of proposed loan bills amounting to 2.2 billion emalangeni, which he has described as a critical to Eswatini's economic development agenda. The minister met with members of the Senate and other legislators to justify the new financial measures, which form part of the broader plan to secure more than 12.7 billion emalangeni in total funding for national development. The proposed loan bills are intended to address key national priorities such as infrastructure development, electricity access, fiscal reform, and support for government suppliers. In more headlines, a salary increase should be balanced up with high performance. That's how Minister of Public Service Mabulala Masego sees it after urging civil servants to match their long-awaited salary increases with higher levels of commitment and performance, warning against absenteeism and declining productivity in the public sector. Turning to other stories. Determined, disciplined, and driven. That's how Lindani Mavuso, a 24-year-old woman from Emahlalini, who has become the first female to clinch a top spot in the Chisarene 2 Army recruitment race. Mavuso outran dozens of other women to claim first place in the female category, earning her ticket to the next stage of the Royal Eswatini Army recruitment process.
Ukulungisela kwami ngiqale nje nakaqala basemaphutheni sekuqaleni ngonyama ngacala namaphilisi kwaze kwaba ukuthi ngize ngibone namasemfuthi ngasesengile ngijabula kakhulu angathi sengijabula kanjani ukuthi ngizanza kuphuma ngeke ngalungisekile kuze ngifike lana nje ngibonge nemdali wami ukuthi amabe asoba angikhuthale sena ukuthi hamba ujime namhlanje nami bengifisile ngisamthini nami ngifisile futhi ukusakhaya sekhaya ngoba bengingasebenzi bengihleli nje bekuphumelela kwami ngelana ngijabule kakhulu sengathi konke ngihamba kahle ngizaqhubekela.
In sports news, while Sihlam will be watching the AFCON 2025 in Morocco in the comfort of their couches in December, Sitsebe Semhlekazi will not be kicking any football for the whole year. This follows the indefinite postponement of the 2025 COSAFA Women's Champions League due to lack of a host country. For these and more other stories, visit our website www.eswatinidailynews.com and also grab yourself a copy on Press Reader for free. Thank you. Have a good day.